I also say thank you so much. See, thank you so much.
I'd asked I told your husband just to say a word. You know, most of the times, kuna mafisi hapa ndani. Kwa hiyo lazima wajue. Kuna mwenyewe.
Thank you, Excellency, the Governor, the Deputy Governor, the Speaker of the County Government of Gusii Government, and the Majority Leader and all the protocol observed. Thank you for this juncture that you have created so that you appreciate our champion, that is my best half. I wish just to say thank you for the Gusii people because you gave me a wife. It is such an honor and a pleasure just to say in Gusii we have talents and we have good hearts. Because having Mary Moraa as my spouse, I felt so much loved and I love her too. And I pledge before you to love her and to support her in her career and her whole life. Thank you. I wish also just to say that those whom they had a side eye on her, she's second. I didn't say my name, sorry. I'm Richard Kipchirchir Lagat. We share the name Kipchirchir with our Excellency the President. So we come from Kapsabet, Nandi County. That's my home, and that will be the new home for Mary Moraa. Don't complain, just accept that. But I'll come for her officially at your hand. Thank you, man.
Thank you. Now, hey, listen, guys. All of you are married. What do you want to add another one?